basically, we have a product lineup called the Aspire Vero that we have actually recently just announced. And this product comes with 30% post-consumer recycle on our body and chassis as well. So it is actually a lot of things we put into consideration on the design, on the rigidity, and other than that, we also put a lot of thought process in our packaging and shipment as well. So on our packaging, we are using 100% green packaging. And how do we call that? We reduce the size of the packaging and at the same time using 100% recycled materials. And on top of that, we can even repurpose the whole box and packaging itself.